Thank you for your purchase on Toysphere Torq DX tricycle. This tricycle comes with stylish sleek design headlight on the handle, wide rear wheelbase, backrest. You can assemble this tricycle by following some simple steps. You would be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a T-shaped screwdriver for assembling. To begin with, place the rear wheels to the main body and fix the rear wheels with the help of quarter pin on both sides. Now place rear wheel cap on both sides. It's time to insert the front wheel complete to the main body. In the next step, insert two AA batteries to the front handle to activate musical head. You can lock it with the help of provided screw. Now fix the handle to main body with the help of clamp and nut and bolt. In the next step, place handle clamp cap to front handle and fix it with provided screws. It's time to place backrest to main body with the help of nut and bolt. Now place seat to the main body. In last, place rear basket to the main body to give it a finishing touch. Wasn't that very simple and fun? Your Toysphere Torq DX tricycle is now ready to use. Toysphere. World of toys.